Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to install Microsoft Store in Windows 10. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to reinstall or install your Microsoft Store in Windows 10, you need to simply open PowerShell as an administrator. So press Windows plus X and select Windows PowerShell as admin. Now you need to enter this command called Get-AppxPackage -AllUser Microsoft.WindowsStore Foreach. So once you have entered this, you need to wait for the process to complete and then restart your PC. After you have done this, you will be able to reinstall your Microsoft Store in Windows 10. Otherwise, you can also use Windows setting to reset Store. Simply click on Advanced option while you open Microsoft Store and reset it. If Microsoft Store is not listed, use the first method. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.